Excuse me.
जी?
Hello, beautiful girls.
Beautiful girl? That means you're complimenting my mom.
Yes, like father, like son.
I see.
Khair, I am secretary, 5,200 रुपया तनख्वाह, and I love abroad.
Good for you.
Yes, you good too. बल्कि 3-4 दफा good.
Really?
You tell me, you likes Pakistani men?
Pakistani man?
You know Gandmi Rang, Gandmi ki English, yes, dirty white color and hair on my face like me.
God, this college is full of retards.
Thank you. You know, we have a common. You have a green eyes, I have a black eyes.
तो इसमें common क्या है?
Eyes.
Go to hell.
Hell after death. Hey, listen, lady. A beautiful lady, listen to me. La la la.
Hi, excuse me.
You me?
Yes, you.
आज कैसे मेमोराइज फरमाया आपने?
Can I talk to you for 2 minutes?
अरे 2 मिनट क्या, 200 मिनट free talk time.
How sweet. What do you think of yourself?
I am a smart secretary.
How dare you flirt with my sister? Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror? You cheapster.
हैं जी?
पिछली बार आपको भूल गई जो मैं आपको याद कराऊं? पहले मेरे पीछे पड़े थे, फिर मेरी बहन के पीछे.
बाजी, आप क्या कह रही हैं?
If you ever do that again, I'll break your legs and hand them to you. Do you understand?
Oh, your sister is my sister. The
No.
game is over.
No, she isn't. She is my sister, you weirdo.
ओहो, यार क्या हो गया? एक तो बेइज्जती और वो भी इंग्लिश में, और वो भी सारी सर के ऊपर से गुजर गई. What's a flying बेइज्जती man? This is form fill for leave.
Thank you so much.
I like Magarmach too. I hear, where were you born abroad?
Yes, I was born in Ireland.
Where is this land?
As in?
I mean land किथे वे? मेरा मतलब where is Ireland?
It's in Europe.
Europe is so beautiful. लंदन के पास है ये?
London is in England.
Oh yes, oh great lady. You know, my face is only Pakistani, but my heart is Valaiti, full Gora scene.
Sure, Gora.
Yes, 2-3 marriage and Ammi Abba Karobar and ढेर सारे pound.
I think I should be going now.
Your shoe is so pretty. This shoe is named Canty Chapley?
No, Gucci actually.
Gucci? What is your number?
6.
6 is my lucky number.
Sure. Excuse me.
Excuse too. सारा जी आप?
तुम्हें मैंने कितनी बार मना किया कि लड़कियों को मत तंग किया करो.
अरे मैं तंग कहाँ कर रहा हूँ, मैं आयरलैंड का पता पूछ रहा था.
हाँ, तुम्हें पता भी आयरलैंड है किधर?
बिल्कुल. पिंडी से 10 किलोमीटर दूर, जदीद सहूलियात से आरास्ता हाउसिंग स्कीम.
मैं अभी प्रिंसिपल साहब को बताने लगी.
अरे प्रिंसिपल साहब को मत बताना यार.
Why?
I want to go there.
Why? On what basis?
Insan the basis. Human rights.
Why? What's wrong with your human rights?
Both principals torture to me. One side slapped and one side.
Yes.
I hear America is insan the punt, and my face just like khorbuza. I tell, this is human right case. You mean top secret mission of corruption classes?
Something like that, yeah.
So tell, I love corrupt.
You know the final exams are coming up, no?
Yes.
When do you could help us with something?
What type help?
Exam papers. Could you please get us the exam papers?
Oh gosh, full-time corruption.
We'll pay you for that.
Madam, you think I am for sale?
अबे तेरी नहीं, पेपर्स की बात कर रही है.
तुम चुप करो.
Madam, you think lalchi? You're right, I am.
Wow, that's so great. Thank you.
But we'll take heavy money for every paper.
How much?
10,000 rupees per paper. Tax निकाल के.
अबे पेपर दे रहा है, टीवी 10,000 रुपए मांग रहा है.
Choice yours.
10,000 per paper? Done.
Okay. 7 papers, 70,000. And CD 70 confirm.
बेटे तेरे CD 70 की टायरों की आवाज तो मैं ही निकालूं.
What you say?
कुछ नहीं
कहा. ये क्रेडिट कार्ड ले ले.
मगर ये तो क्रेडिट कार्ड है.
अबे नहीं, कॉलिंग कार्ड है.
How can I use it?
अबे दांतों पे रख के ना फेर दी और जुबान से काट लें. क्या बात करता है यार ये?
What you say?
पेन लीजिए, मैं चेक करती हूँ.
ओह आई एम सॉरी, इत्तफाकन आज पेन नहीं है, अगर कैश हो जाए तो।
कैश भी हो जाएगा, कोई मसला।
मैं कहती है सैया मैं तेरी हाय sitting along beautiful girls.
What does it look like?
Same to you.
How can I help you?
I want to be England.
You want to be England? What are you right now?
Pakistan.
Secretary Saab, you can't be England.
But why? Every Maja Gama England. Why not I England?
Secretary Saab, they are in England, not England.
In England, not England. What about crazy girl?
Excuse me? Did you call me crazy? You can't call me crazy. You don't know me well enough to call me crazy.
इतनी ज्यादा अंग्रेजी?
I mean, who gave you the liberty to do this?
लिबर्टी मार्केट इन लाहौर, अभी कल ही मैंने चाट की प्लेट खाई उधर से।
God, I don't even know why I bother talking to you in English. आप मुझे बताएं आपको काम क्या है?
फिर उर्दू, किसी गरीब की अंग्रेजी ना अच्छी होने दीजिएगा।
आपकी इंग्लिश ठीक कराते कराते मेरी इंग्लिश खराब हो जाएगी।
खैर, मुझे सर ने भेजा है और उन्होंने कहा था तमाम स्टूडेंट्स को बता दो कि एक नए टीचर आ रहे हैं हिस्ट्री के। हाय टीटी।
Hi, Mr. Secretary, how are you?
आई एम फाइन। How are you beautiful, just like moon?
I see.
If I moon, you stop?
What?
I want to ask to you something.
And what is that?
Will you be my Valentine?
Valentine?
Yes, Valentine. I mean 14th February, Valentine.
Valentine. No, thank you.
You are a direct reject to me? Excuse me. Hello? जी सर अभी आया। Excuse me. I'm just me. मैनू तेरे जैसा सोना होर लभदा ना, बैठी रहां।
Hey, Sec.
Hi.
How are you? I said, hey, Sec.
हैं? सिख? ओ जी, आपको किसने बताया कि मेरा दादा सिख था?
Not sick, Sec as in secretary.
Oh, good.
So how are you today?
Twice a day, every day.
I see.
यूं मैं चला जाऊंगा, ज्यादा देर खुश रहा तो।
What?
Nothing say. Why are you putting me face?
Putting me face?
मतलब आप मुझे क्यों मुंह लगा रही हैं?
Oh, actually, I wanted to ask you for a favor.
Sure. I love forever.
You know, this is the first time I've come to Lahore.
Yes.
Because I really want to go to the Lahore Zoo for a college trip.
But why? Peacock front on you.
Peacock!
More.
But no doubt you look like a Moor. But I still want to go to the zoo.
Not worry. I take to you zoo on Sunday.
I don't want to go with you. I want to go with the whole college.
पूरे कॉलेज के टिकट मैं नहीं भर सकता।
But can't you ask Principal Saab to take us?
Oh, no, I understand.
Upper stand? No, I understand.
वही, lady, you rishwating me? I mean, I am not rishwat.
But listen.
No, you listen. People like your corrupt the heart is soul of my country. But I not take your idea. Because I great Pakistani and Pakistani do everything. But do think that Pakistan hurt.
है?
इसका तर्जमा इंजमाम भाई से करवा लीजिएगा। Hi lady.
Hi.
How are you?
बिल्कुल ठीक?
Oh no, Urdu. Tell in English. I can English. You from us?
Us?
U.S. United States.
Oh, yeah.
Good. American is good.
Yeah, I love it. It's such a great country.
I also American English.
But your English was kind of twisted.
Yes, Twister is also in USA. One filmwala and one kumanala. I like both.
What?
Rasta kharido?
Rasta kharido?
By the way, you have green cards?
Yeah.
एक फोटोकॉपी तो दो।
Excuse me?
I mean green card is good and American is good.
Yeah, it's a beautiful country. I love it.
I also stay in some small time. My relative there.
Really? What state are they in?
State किथे फंस गया? State केड़ी?
What state?
Metro Golden Mayor.
अंग्रेजी फिल्मों के टाइटल उठाने वाले शख्स, मैं तुम्हें कहाँ ढूंढता फिर और तुम?
सर मैं वो
तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? अंग्रेजी की क्लासें बाद में लेना, पहले जाकर वोटिंग शुरू कराओ।